To post a letter to your favorite aunt, you must remember to write her address and stick a stamp on the envelope. Then you can drop the letter into any of the red post boxes in your neighborhood. The post van collects all the letters from the post boxes. These letters are taken to the post office. Here they are sorted, means they are separated, segregated according to the places they have to be sent to. Then your letter reaches your aunt's city. It is again sorted according to the different neighborhoods. Now the letter is sent to the local post office near your aunt's house. So this is how the journey of the letter takes place. There are many post offices in a town or city, as well as one large GPO. GPO stands for General Post Office. There are many counters in a post office, and you can buy postcards, inland letters and stamps there. You should ask your parent to take you to the post office so that you can see how it looks like and what facilities you can avail from the post office. In this picture you can see different types of letters like postcard, inland letter, envelope, etc. So these are various types of letters. Now let's talk about the important components of a postage stamp. In this slide you can see that the important components are shown, they are marked here. First one is perforation. Here you can see row of small holes punched in a sheet. These holes are made, these perforations are made so that a part can be torn easily. Next is image. There should be an image in the stamp. Like in the stamp you can see image of Mahatma Gandhi. Next is denomination, means price. So now in this postal stamp you can see that the denomination is 75 paisa. And next one is name of the country. In this, name of the country which is written is India. So these are some of the important components of a postage stamp. Did you know the collection and study of postage stamps is known as philately? Many of the persons have hobby of collecting stamps of different countries or of different eras. So this is one of the hobby. And only in 2013 the telegram services of Indian Post was ended. It means that now this service, means telegram service, is not available, as telephones, internet has taken the place of telegram. In the last few years, courier and speed post services have become an alternative way of sending mails, packages and goods. Because there are many advantages of these services like fast and time bound delivery, delivery status can be checked, online tracking facility, affordable price, assured delivery, high responsive attitude to customers. So due to all these points, these services are now very much popular among the people.